Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to cross-fiber joggle your spine using a small roller. This one is not a foam roller, it's actually a wood roller, and right now you can't buy them because of Trump's tariffs. But I'm going to show you how to do this anyway, and maybe you can figure out something to use. So you stick it under your spine like this, and you get your weight on your feet like so, and then you kind of lift your body up and joggle left and right like this. And cross fiber work, which is like going against the grain of wood, is extremely aggressive and powerful. And you can move the roller. So you can put the roller right on your tailbone, and that feels really good. Move it all up and down the tailbone. I'm using my opposite hand to do that. Get it all the way down to the Coccyx, I believe it's pronounced Coccyx, which is a little bone at the bottom of your tailbone. And that feels really amazing. And then you can just kind of work it. You can lean to the left, working specifically on those muscles. And then you can lean to the right and work on those muscles. Joggling left and joggling right to create cross-fiber friction. So along your spine you have a whole lot of muscles interconnected, interjoined. When you cross-fiber friction them at 90 degrees of their direction, it really lengthens them well. One thing that you could use for this, if you took a rolling pin and you wrapped a towel around it, and then you put a couple of rubber bands on it, on the ends, that might suffice and be about the same size as this and work good. Okay, so if you get up here, up into here, and you may have already cracked down below, but you're more likely to crack your back up here in the mid to upper thoracic region. So yeah, you can do this whole back. Okay, so you get the picture, and now all you have to do is do it. Do it. It's a really good thing right now to do a whole lot of body work. whether that be self-massage or stretching or something else, or all of the above. And that is because we are getting closer to an extreme astrological conjunction. Saturn and Neptune at 0 degrees of Aries on the 20th of February. And the closer that gets, the more you want to lay low and don't let anything push your buttons. Don't react. Don't react to things, okay? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. You could give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And you can subscribe if you want. Look, there's another thing you can do. There's a left-right action that's causing kind of a twisting action. That's a twisting action on the spine. That feels really good too. So thanks for joining me, everyone.